Right, all right, all right. It's time to fire it up. Got them all on high heat right now. All right, so let's get it up to temp. We're gonna get it hot. Hot is hot, hot. All right, so I'll bring you back and then we'll see what we got going. All right, it's reading around 700 degrees. So that's hot, right? So what I got? No, right here, it's called fajitas, the pork fajitas. So it's pork, right? But it's seasoned, marinade, and it's cutted pork. So whether you call them fajitas or not, but this is what HEB, this is what they're calling them. I do enjoy them. They come in pork, chicken, and beef. So every now and then, whenever I want to just buy it out of the package to eat it like this, ready to go, this is what I buy. So this is what I got going right now. So let's just cut it open. Oh yeah, that's hot. If I need to turn it down, not turn it down. But so you can see, so this is just what it looks like. Now that's hot. We'll see if I have to turn it down. So right there. So we're gonna let that go in a grill. If I need to do it, I'll turn it down. If not, keep it going, monitor it, and then go wash my hands. But so right now, just let it ride, close it up, and I'll bring you back. Check it out. That's what it looks like. Scoop. Right on there. Alright. Yeah. Coming along nicely. Alright, we'll let it go. Close it down till you won't. Alright, alright. Let's check it out. So just move it there. Alright. So flip you around right there. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put you on the broil zone side right there. Man, now doesn't that look nice right there? Man, we grilling right now. We grilling. Look at that. You can step away so you can see it. All right, let me close it up. Man, it's looking good right there. Yeah. Tell you what, if you could smell it, and it smells so good. And then I'll be adding some sausage links as well. Gotta have that sausage with my food. Love it. But yeah, ain't that a beauty right there? Just look at that. Raw right now, all on hot. All burners on high. Look at that. See a little more on that side right there. Flip you. Looking good. Looking good. Man, look at that in action. And I'll tell you what, this grill right here has been fantastic. Fantastic. All right, just flip it around. This one right here. Man, it's coming out great. Love it when it gets charred. Give it some more flavor. More flavor. All right, so that's looking great right there. Looking great, smelling great. Man, they're getting there. They're almost done. And then I'm going to put some sausage on. Yep. All right. Yep. So, like I said, they're getting close to being done. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Here, the picking up trash right now, but yeah, look at that. So they're almost done. So I'm gonna get some sausage right now. Look at this. Man. All right. All right. So these are pretty much done. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? So for right now, just going to place them up here. And then I'm going to turn off on the broil zone. I got it low on the other side. Let's get this sausage on. All right. So we're going to let it ride like that. Let's get the sausage up there. All right. So let's get some tortillas on. Man, that is a beautiful sight right there. It's gonna be a good lunch. Very good lunch. Oh yeah. Gotta say, this is gonna be delicious to eat. Pork, can't go wrong, right? The sausage. This grill right here from Monument Grills did a fantastic job. Fantastic job. But I gotta end it, guys. I gotta go inside. It's lunchtime. I'm hungry. So, hope you enjoyed this video grilling. I know I did. But as always, thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.